Did you know that you can connect your BMW to your smartphone? With the My BMW app, stay in touch with your car anytime, anywhere. In this video, learn how to set this up on your Android or iOS smartphone and create your individual BMW ID. All you'll need is your phone, access to your email, and your vehicle VIN. Download the My BMW app from your App Store. Here, you can create your BMW ID if you don't have one. Enter your email address and create a password. A verification code will be sent to your email. Click it to enable your account. Once your account is verified, log into the app. Create your 4-digit PIN to ensure only you can access your car's settings. Allow the My BMW app to access the necessary apps for the complete experience. Accept the terms and conditions, then press Agree. Press Next. You're now ready to add your vehicle. Enter your 17-digit VIN. If you don't have it, check your vehicle sales agreement document or speak to your sales consultant or service advisor. A security code will be sent to your BMW. Look for the message notification and access BMW messages. Enter the code into the app and confirm. Wait for your vehicle data to load. You are now connected. For the full experience, sign in to your BMW ID on your vehicle. On the main menu, click Car and access the driver profile. Add a driver profile via the My BMW app. Once a QR code is generated, go to your BMW app and click the Profile button. Click the Settings on the top right and select Scan. Follow the prompts to map your profile. Now you can stay in touch with your BMW wherever you are. Click on your BMW status to check that all doors and windows are closed and locked. If you need to lock or unlock your vehicle, you don't have to walk all the way back now. You can just send a command right from your phone. You can also read the latest information or even check your tires from your vehicle. Before you go, you can also search for your next destination on your phone. Send it to your vehicle and have it ready before you drive. Once you reach your car, accept the destination and you are good to go. My BMW, your digital companion anytime, anywhere.